Hello friends, welcome to LearnDevo. This video is dedicated to those guys who have already completed the fundamentals fully, but still lacking behind in something, which is practice. So that's why I started this series, which is completely based on practice, practicing. So for that, we will start with a basic question, which is we have to add like input three subject. Sorry, yeah. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and please click the thumbs up also. So let's start with our first question, which is like write a program to enter marks of three subjects and calculate total percentage and also division. Okay, we have to input three subjects. We have to calculate the percentage of that. Based on the percentage, we have to show the user its division, right? We have 60, 45, and 33, and we have fails also. Okay, so we have some test cases over here, which we will test it at the end. So what we will do is, so now we are having this question, right? So first thing we need to take the input from the user for three subject. So we can say, we can give like subject one, right? And we will take two and three also. So for the input, it can be float. Like what if your teacher gave you 15.5 or something? So we will just concentrate on integer, okay? So first we are going to take the input, okay, from the user, which is enter the marks, like mark. So next thing is convert this input into an integer. So that's why we have to use this. Like forcefully we are changing it, right? So just copy this also and enter over here, right? So that we can save some time. So second thing, we have to calculate the percentage. For that, we have to need total. So we will simply take a variable which is total, and we will just sum up, right? So we will do plus sub 3 plus subject 3, right? So we are having the total now. Then we have to calculate the percentage. For the percentage, we need the average of that, right? So average is equal to total divided by total number of subjects, which is 3. Next thing, percentage. For the percentage, yes. So the percentage would be average and the total marks, which is like we will consider as 100, which is 300, right? And multiply with 100. So we got the percentage now. So let's run this code. Yeah. Here we would enter some digits like we would like 50, 50, 50. So which is came to be 16 point. Why it is that? Maybe something's wrong with this. Uh, okay, yeah, we don't need this 300, like it should be 100, right? So when we are calculating the average, it will come out to be this. Yeah, now it is correct. Why? See, already we are having this average over here, right? So that's why we don't need to calculate again over here. So already we are changing this 300 out of 300 into 100. So that's why. So now, what is our second task is to print which division does the student belongs to. So for that, we have to use the if statement. If, right? So the first one is percentage. If the student is above than 60, we would print first division, right? First division. And if not, like else if, which is short for, which is shortenly called elif, right? So the second division is like percentage greater than equal to 55. Then we would print second, right? So the third one, that third condition is third, which is percentage. Percentage, which should be greater than equal to 33. And we would print third. And the final, C. Finally, we are having this otherwise, right? So let's take that as else. If not, then sadly the student has failed the exam. Failed. But we will do another thing also, right? So we would say try harder next time. Never give up. Yeah. Okay, now let's test. Okay. So first test is which is 80. Sorry, there is an okay, we already let's reason this. We are having 80, 70, and we are having 60. So how to should be first division? Yeah. So let's take the second text test, which is 50, 45, 40. We should give the second, and we will test the third case, which is 35, 38, and 33, which is third. And the last and the final one, wait, let's do this. Yeah, the last and the final one, which is 20, 25, and 50. So it gives me fail and try harder. Next time, never give up. Right. So it was a basic question. I thought we have to like. So we begin with a basic question, which is right method for a beginner one, and it's a good method for your practice also. So we will continue this series daily. Okay. So for that, you need to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so that it gives me a motivation to upload your new videos, right? And it is helpful for you also to for practice and improve your logics or thinking skills, right? So thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And this is your Learn Deeper. Bye friends.